Hello dear customer, I'm David from QLQ company. Today I want to show you our automatic mental zipper YT stamping machine. Now here is the machine working. Let me show you how it works. Come on. As we can see, here is the two-head stamping machine, and the stainless wire is come from the bottom side. The bottom side is feeding the stained steel, and the tab is from the back side. Let me open it and show you. The tab is feeding from back side, and the stainless wire is from the bottom side. After stamping, the zipper come out from here, and this is the combined machine. As you can see, the stamping zipper is so beautiful, stable and strong. One of the biggest strengths of this machine is the soundproof. This case is the soundproof. With this case, it's quiet, but when we open the case, open the door, we can hear. It's so noisy when you open the door.